Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, I am Sobia Rabil from Peshawar Model School, Nowshera campus. This is your SPT lecture number 3 from unit number 1, Introduction to Biology. Before starting, do subscribe my channel and let's begin. So the topic for today is careers in biology. So a student who is studying biology can adopt this biology as his or her field also. Now there are a lot of subfields in biology. These are medicine and surgery, fisheries, agricultural, farming, etc. First one is medicine and surgery. Medicine and surgery are all related with the treatment and diagnosis of human diseases and humans. So one who is studying biology can also go for medicine and surgery, and this all is related to MBBS. Now next one is fisheries. Fisheries is all related to the production, diseases, nutrition and population of fishes. One who adopts this as a career is all related to the production and nutritional requirements of the fishes. And next one is agriculture. Now a biologist can also opt her career as an agriculturist. Now what is included in agriculture? Now all the production of fruits and vegetables and the crops, all these are included in agriculture, the forestry, etc. Next one is animal sciences. Animal sciences is actually animal husbandry. It deals with the breeding, the raising of livestock. What is livestock? That is domestic animals. Now one who adopts this as a career will be concerned with the population and the diseases which are all related to the animals. Next is horticulture. Horticulture is actually related to the fruits and vegetables, the crops, the nurseries, the plants, all the things that are related to the plants. The landscape design, that how and where could be a specific plant grown. Next one is forestry. Forestry is concerned with managing forests and growing forests to provide timber and for wildlife habitat, recreation and biodiversity management. All the animals that are present in forest and all the plants that are in forest, they are all studied in forestry. Farming. In farming, farms are developed and maintained for animal breeding, poultry, fruit and vegetables. A student of biology, after doing professional course in agriculture or animal husbandry, etc., can adopt this field. Farming is also concerned with the breeding, the poultry, the fruits and vegetables, the crops of both the plants and the animals, that are all included in the farming. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, I am Sobia Rabil from Peshawar Model School, Nowshera campus. Today I am going to give you a lecture on linkage of biology with other fields of study. We already have our first lecture from this unit number 1, Introduction to Biology. Now this chapter is included in your SVT. So we will move on to the first topic of SVT, which is linkage of biology with other fields of study. Now there are a lot of other sciences which are in linkage with biology. These are physics, chemistry, statistics, geography, etc. What is the relation of these sciences with biological science? Now we will study them in today's lecture. Now first one is biophysics. Biophysics is an interdisciplinary field that uses laws of physics. Now it is actually the application of the laws of physics on living organisms. How? The most common example is magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. It uses the laws of physics, the applications that are all the things that are included in physics that are applied on the living organisms. Next one is biochemistry. Now bio and chemistry. Chemistry it is actually the study of all the chemical reactions and all the compounds that are present inside the living organisms, and that is biochemistry. And what organic compounds are present inside the living organisms? These are the carbohydrates, the proteins, the vitamins, the minerals, the DNA. These all are studied in biochemistry. And of course all the reactions that are taking place inside the living organisms, that are studied in biochemistry. Third one is biogeography. Biogeography is the study of living organisms residing in a specific place. Now, why some living organisms that are found in specific area on Earth that are studied in biogeography? For example, why malaria is only found in damp places? Why polar bears are only found in Arctic regions and camels are found in deserts? These all are studied in biogeography. Third one is biostatistics. It is the application of statistical and mathematical rules in biology. For example, if we have to solve a specific biological problem, so that will be studied in biostatistics. Next is bioeconomics. It is the application of rules of economics, for example, to find out the economical outputs of GMOs. Now, if we want to find out the pros and cons of specific crops, that we will be studying in bioeconomics, that what will be the outcomes of a specific biological organism or biological crop, that will be studied in bioeconomics.